Assalamu alaikum, Bilawad Hazur.
Al-Islam.
My name is Muhammad Sharif Nachia, and my question is I am a high school student who is studying computer science, physics, and design. I would like to ask Pyare Huzur how I can serve the Jamaat with this field of studies.
Are you interested in computer science or physics?
Computer science.
So you like computer science more than physics?
Yes.
Then you can then study further your study in web designing.
Okay.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Can Hazur please conclude with a dua?
Okay, then join me in silent prayer. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamu warahmatullahi